Today we're taking a look at the men's swim shirt. So this is what it looks like on us. Now, if you normally take size large like I do, you want to go probably a size up unless you want it tight. Like if you want it super, super tight against your skin, go with your normal size. But if you want it to be a little loose, it's still tight, but a little loose, then go with a size up. We normally take large, but this is an X large. So while it's loose, it's actually tight in our arms. It fits nice. I think it looks nice. So I think you guys are going to like it. And of course, it does have the quick dry technology. Here's the inside, if you guys are wondering. And it is stretchable.